In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Adobe Premiere Pro Playback not working. It's a common issue that many editors face, and resolving it can significantly enhance your editing efficiency. So let's dive in and get your playback running smoothly again. First, let's ensure your Adobe Premiere Pro is up to date, as updates often contain fixes for known issues. Begin by opening Adobe Creative Cloud on your computer. If it's not already running, you can find it by searching in your Applications folder. Once you've opened Creative Cloud, navigate to the Apps tab. Here, you'll see a list of all your installed Adobe applications. Now, look for the Updates section on the side menu. This section is crucial because it alerts you to any new updates available for your applications. Scroll through and find Adobe Premiere Pro. If an update is available, you'll see an Update button next to it. Go ahead and click that button. Updating could take a few moments depending on your internet speed, but it's certainly worth the wait to ensure you have the latest features and bug fixes. Once Premiere Pro is updated, open the application and head over to the Edit menu at the top of your screen. This menu is where you'll find most of your project settings and preferences. From the drop-down options, select Preferences. Then, within the Preferences submenu, you'll want to choose Media Cache. This section is key for fixing playback issues, as the media cache can sometimes become overloaded with old or corrupted files, leading to performance glitches. After navigating to the media cache settings, you'll see an option labeled Media Cache Files. Next to this option, there's a button that says Delete. Press this button to clear the media cache files. Don't worry, deleting these files won't affect your project data or media. It will simply remove unnecessary cache files that might be causing the playback disruption. This process can help free up space and allow Premiere Pro to function more efficiently. Having cleared the cache, it's time for a quick restart of your Premiere Pro application. Restarting is an essential step because it allows Premiere to re-establish its playback pathways, thus resolving any lingering issues. Simply close the application and then reopen it. This will apply all the changes you've just made and hopefully resolve any playback problems you were experiencing. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you should find that Adobe Premiere Pro is back to functioning smoothly, with playback working just as it should. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy editing. If you still encounter issues, consider examining your hardware or reviewing Adobe's official support for further troubleshooting assistance.